and I'm here at South by Southwest to celebrate the launch of ringtones08.com. It's a free site that lets people upload and share ringtones from the '08 election. It runs off of the Mixer platform that is really easy to use, and I highly recommend you go out, rant and rave, and create a ringtone and download other people. Really enjoy the '08 election.
So is this your first time at South by Southwest?
It's my first time at South by Southwest.
All right, so you're a newbie like me. Is there going to be any good advice on how to survive South by Southwest?
I think you gotta go with the flow. You gotta kind of maybe do a little bit of planning. You gotta go and find one panel and talk to someone, and go to another, and then wind up having a drink, and then going out to dinner. You just cannot let your control freak.
All right, so the question I'm asking everybody, so what's their hangover cure?
I don't know, but I need recommendations. Very badly.
Have you? One of the questions I haven't been asking, I don't want to raise. Have you felt a lot of people think about the politics here while we're in Texas? Just had a big.
I know. Oh, absolutely. I mean, I think it is the water cooler conversation of the year. You sit down and you always hear background in Wyoming. Yesterday, we're talking about Obama. We're all suddenly experts on super delegates and convention and who's up and who's down. We're all pundits, and now we take our punditry to the cell phone, right? We've made the videotape, we've spread the blog, we've done it. We bought the t-shirts, and now we can bring it.
All right. Oh, the ringtones are the bumper stickers of '08?
I predict so.
Ah, you heard it here first. All right, thank you very much.